Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's video I'll be showing you how you can fix your Alight motion app not opening problem or not working problem on your device. In order to fix it, there are several steps, so make sure to stick with us till the end and follow the instructions guided. Now if you're facing issue with Alight motion app not opening or working in, so you can try this following step in order to troubleshoot the steps to resolve your problem. First of all, what you can do is you can check for an update. In order to check for the update, you need to open up your Play Store. After that, on the search box, type in Alight motion and check whether there is update button or open button. If you see update, click on the update button and updating the application might be able to fix the issue all at once. After updating your application, try restarting your device, and that might also be an effective way of solving your issue. Apart from that, you can also clear your cache as well as data. For that, you need to long press on your Alight motion app, go to app info. It's going to direct you to the app info page. Over here, click on storage and cache. As soon as you've done that, click on clear cache. So before you click on clear storage or data, make sure that you have all of the information or that you've backed up all of your information. Only then tap on the clear storage button. Now instead of doing all of these, you can also ensure that your device meets the app system requirement. Alight motion may require specific hardware or software version to function correctly, so you'll need to check for it, or you can also make sure to check your device operating system is up to date or not. System update can provide fix for a compatible issue with your app. If you have any battery optimizing app or any of the software, you can just disable it. After that, you can just fix the issue. Apart from that, what else you can do is, if you're still unable to fix it after doing all of these methods, you can directly get a help of a customer service and they'll state about the issue. So in this way, you can fix your Alight motion not opening or working issue on your device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.